Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Book of Meme AI token. Name of the token is BOMEAI, all one word, and that is also the ticker symbol. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, you can find this token on BSC Scan. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a BEP20 token. It's not available on any DEX yet. It's not available on Pancakeswap yet. 18 decimal places on this token. There's a max total supply of a lot of tokens here. That's a million, billion, trillion, 4 quadrillion, 999 trillion, 999 billion tokens. You can find their Telegram at BOMEAI meme. 9,210 members. 1,105 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion on this project. If you want to talk to other community members, see what they think about it, that would be a great place to do so. And they have a Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there as usual. 10,900 Twitter members. At BOMEAI_meme. Blue verified checkmark, 72 tweets, unleashing Web3, BOMEAI magic, Book of Meme AI, perfectly bridging the worlds. And you'll see in their most recent tweets here that this token will be listed May 3rd, which is tomorrow, May 3rd, 9 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search BOMEAI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, you can find all of the information on this token at bomeai.gitbook.io. That is their official document section, their paper. So it says, in the age of the internet's dominance, meme culture has evolved into a global phenomenon, shaping humor, irony, and a distinct form of digital expression that transcends borders. With the rise of blockchain technology, we stand at the cusp of a new era in meme coin culture. Enter Book of Meme AI, a groundbreaking project poised to redefine the intersection of blockchain technology and meme culture with a unique twist. Book of Meme AI isn't just another token. It's a visionary initiative that merges the iconic essence of meme culture with the transformative potential of blockchain technology. Our goal is to create an evolutionary platform where the playful spirit of memes meet the revolutionary power of digital currency. At its core, Book of Meme AI draws inspiration from the legendary meme icon of the past while forging its path with an innovative application ecology. What sets the Book of Meme AI apart from the dedication to fostering a vibrant digital playground? Users aren't mere participants, they are creators, traders, and essential contributors to the dynamic ecosystem. You can craft, share, and exchange your digital memes, engaging with a community that celebrates meme culture at its glory. But we're not just stopping there. Book of Meme AI introduces a range of innovative features from NFT trading and digital art creation to gamified social interactions. Our platform isn't just about entertainment, it's a gateway to acquiring valuable digital assets and fostering a sense of ownership and community among users. Behind the scenes, Book of Meme AI's team has been hard at work laying the groundwork for this blockchain-based platform, developing a suite of applications and functionalities to bring our vision to life. We've also established strategic partnerships to enrich the Book of Meme experience, ensuring that our ecosystem is dynamic, interactive, and constantly evolving. Book of Meme AI stands as a beacon of innovation in the blockchain space, blending the universal appeal of meme culture with cutting-edge technology to offer a new realm of digital entertainment. With a robust ecosystem supported by a solid technical foundation, Book of Meme AI is poised to become a leading platform for digital asset trading and a vibrant community for digital art and meme enthusiasts. For those intrigued by the allure of meme culture and the boundless possibilities of digital entertainment, Book of Meme AI presents an exciting frontier to explore. Join us on this exhilarating journey as we reshape the digital culture of blockchain technology. So they have a roadmap on here, starting with phase 1. It's going to be the Book of Meme image development, then the blockchain implementation, then the decentralized autonomous organization community establishment, infrastructure construction, and then phase 2 is going to be developer engagement, partnership expansion, community governance, and UX enhancement. Phase 3 is going to be ecosystem optimization, user interaction enhancement, new business model exploration, and community engagement boosts. So the tokenomics, we have 45% of the tokens going to liquidity, 15% going to marketing, 20% to team operations, and 20% to central exchanges. Big disclaimer, always read their disclaimers there. So they're going to have a rich emoji library. Book of Meme AI aims to curate, develop, and have high-quality images tailored to satisfy diverse preferences of user base. They're going to have enhanced interactivity, personalized customization, a cross-platform sharing, community construction, and objectives. So they have here, let's see here. So their application, they talk about gaming. They're going to have gaming in the future, socialization, entertainment, learning, third-party developer integration, creative tools, sharing platform, real-time interaction, swap program, DAT program, staking program, and referral program. So there'll be lots of stuff coming out in the future. So check it all out. bomeai.gitbook.io has all the information. You can learn about the DAO on there as well. And you can find this token newly listed as of tomorrow on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.